Okay, you're going so you're going to cut this sheet. Okay. So it will be of this shape. Okay, with the help of marker, I have done the outline. Then we are going to color this beak with red. Okay, color it with red. Okay, so let me do. Okay, so I have prepared this eye. Then I'm going to stick this. Okay, I have applied Fevicol here and I'm going to stick this. Okay, like this. And you guys can play with it. After playing, you may stick in your scrapbook.
Yes, Dhruv. Divyanshi, very good. Very good, Naksh. Very good, Vivan. Very good, Bhavishka.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, show. Come on, show yours. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, come on.
Very good, Vivan. Very good, Naksh. Very good, Bhavishka. Manas, super. Again. Happy Republic Day to all.